Hey guys, welcome back. I wish I could say that I was currently in Italy, but I'm not. I am actually in the middle of the Atlantic Ocean doing a crossing on a boat. I've been working away for the last 2 months and predominantly in the Bahamas, and now we're slowly making our way back to Europe, which is exciting, which means I'll be in Italy pretty soon. I thought I would just quickly give you guys just an update and show you guys what I've been up to in the last 2 months, and then when I get to Gibraltar I'll sit down and I'll share what's going to happen over the next couple of weeks. But yeah, so this is what's been happening the last 2 months. Enjoy.
as a star among the midnight sky. All the pressure nature blinded me, but now I see I'm no different from the rest. You said I'd fly away, but my words have kept me down. Now I'm lost and I'm afraid, and I'm close to hit the ground. You said I'd fly away. You said I'd fly anywhere, but I keep on flying.
There we go, guys. Seeing that you have made it so far into the episode, this is us just departing Bermuda, and we are just leaving the channel. You can see me skippering the vessel off the dock and heading out to sea. We're just passing through the main headland, and this is the second part of the crossing from Bahamas to Gibraltar. Like I said, we stopped over in Bermuda to refuel, and then after this we've got about a 10-day passage from here down to Gibraltar. I didn't take much footage after this for the reason that there is absolutely nothing to see. We didn't see any other vessels or boats. We didn't see much wildlife, no whales, no dolphins, and it was a little bit of a bumpy ride, but nothing too hectic. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and oh yeah, this is where we actually caught a little tuna by Joe, a deckhand on board, and we had fresh sashimi that night. So after this we pull into Gibraltar, and then this is where I pick up from. Cheers, guys. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed a couple of videos that I put up from the crossing from Bahamas to Gibraltar. So I was supposed to catch up on the train from Malaga to Madrid, but I didn't have a chance and I was pretty tired. Spent one night in Madrid and then went to Barcelona, and then had a couple of evenings with the crew. I just want to catch up and tell you guys what the plan is. I'm heading to the UK now. Gonna meet up with my fiance. Spent a couple of times with her, a couple of days with her in England, and then I'm gonna fly back over to Antigua, and then I'm gonna take another boat across from Antigua to Falmouth, the UK, and then hopefully after that we are en route to Italy. The plan is just to go to the house and clean it up, gut it, make sure everything's clean so it's a fresh start, and then I'm in contact with the architect, and she's going to get back to me hopefully pretty soon with some plans for the house, and then it's go. But yeah, guys, thanks for the follow so far, and then I hope you guys enjoy the content. I'm in Barcelona airport now, so just having a very large cerveza. Yeah, see you soon. Cheers, bye.